Hello, welcome guys. I want to give you updates. Oftentimes we complain that food stuff is expensive. Food stuff is expensive. Oh, tomato is expensive, pepper is expensive, onions is expensive, etc. See, it's expensive because you don't bring to the right place. You are not buying in the right place. So I want to tell you the prices of these things I bought in my 12 today. I went to my 12 today. Let me tell you the prices. First, this is Tatashe. I've removed the seed. So that's why it's broken. You can see it's broken. I've removed the seed already. Imagine when I've not removed the seed, how it looks like. When I've not removed the seed, when it wasn't broken, it was almost like two of these bags. Let me show you the full bag. This is the full bag. I bought this Tatashe, this one and this one. Look at it. See the size. Yes. I bought this one and this one for, they were in two raw bags, so I bought the two together. I bought it 11,500 plus 11,500. I bought it 23,000 naira. I bought this Tatashe for 23,000 naira. I bought the 6 pineapples for 5,000 naira. So they sold three of these for 2,500. This remaining three for 2,500. There's the tomatoes. These two bags. I bought these tomatoes for 25,500. This it's almost a full basket, but it's not just full basket. It's not really full to the brim, but full basket today being 29th of October was 35,000. But I didn't want to buy that because I don't like the trick they normally do with full basket. No matter how fine or top of it is, the middle is always something else. So I didn't want anybody to play a fast trick on me today. So I rather buy the one I'm seeing the beginning to the end. So I bought this in 3 different rubbers. So I bought the 3 rubbers for 25,500. So that's this. This is tomatoes. The cheapest today was pepper, was the fresh pepper. So let me talk about the rodo first. This is Tatashe. So this is a bako bag filled with Tatashe. This is a full bako bag. You can see. I bought this one for 11,000. Now this one shocked me pass. Now this one shocked me. This one the Tatashe. Because the way they sell Shobo in my place, they sell it as if Shobo and Tatashe, they sell it as if it's cars. Jesus Christ. They will put small one, like small thing, and say and say 500. The same thing with Tatashe. They will put very small and say 500. I can't believe that Tatashe and Shobo is even cheapest. It's the cheapest in my 12. This full bako bag is 11,000 naira. This full bako bag is 11,000 naira. Imagine, just look at the full Tatashe. And this one is 23,000 naira. Ah, wow. Now, wow. People to do. So look at another one. This one is the pepper, the fresh pepper. So according to them, they said fresh pepper is cheap presently. It's very cheap right now, and very cheap. So guess how much I bought this pepper. This pepper is much. Look at it. Look at it from the down. This bag. This is a very big bag. This is not a bako bag. Oh. This is a very big bag. Look at it. That's it. Look at it. Look at it. So this pepper is much. So I bought this pepper for 12,500. 12,500. I removed the head, so I bought it for 12,500. The next one is the onions. Onions is also expensive right now. According to them, they said they don't have much. So I bought these onions for 20,000 naira. To me, it's still cheap. To me, it's still cheap because I actually bought something like this for 500 naira here last week. A few days ago, I bought something like this for 500. So this whole onions now for 20,000 naira to me is cheap. But they say it's expensive right now. It's not really much in the market. So I bought that one for, I bought these onions for 20,000 naira. This is another one. Hey, the cucumber is another thing that scared me in the market. Because one of these normally is 400, 500. Like this is 400, 500. Now I bought this whole thing for 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira. When they put it down and said 1,000, I was like, what did you say? The guy said, the man said 1,000 naira. I was like, I wanted to be sure. I wanted to be sure that he knew what he was saying. He said, yes, 1,000 naira. Okay. Oh. So the watermelon, I bought the watermelon for 2,000 naira each. So these four paid 8,000 naira. Then almighty yam. Yam is very expensive. I was wondering if they no longer plant yam because the price. So these two yams, I bought the two yams for 6,000. Yes, the big ones. One is 3,000 naira. So look at this. Look at this. That's it. So before you conclude that food stuff in Lagos is expensive, please try and go to the right place and buy. I know it's stressful because as I'm talking to you now, I'm very, very tired. I never recover a bag. I know it will take you a whole lot of time, especially if that's what you depend on every day for survival. Like in my house, there is no a week. I don't know if I use tomatoes and pepper every day. Almost every day I use tomatoes and pepper. So it's a special commodity in my house. So it's something I really love to have in my house. So I take my time to go to my shop. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.